Hello everyone and welcome to Book Days! The book of the day is The Smart Cookie, written by Jory John, illustrated by Pete Oswald. This book is about a cookie who doesn't feel very smart. At school, their teacher, Miss Biscotti, gives the class a homework assignment to create something original. This was so stressful for the cookie! How could she create something original? But in the end, she comes up with a very unique project with a sprinkle of confidence and a dash of creativity. To read this entire book, find it at your local bookstore or library today. And now, we're back in Houston, Texas, in a quest to find our own smart, delicious cookies. Are you ready? Let's go. Hello everyone and welcome to the Milk Mustache. I'm here with owner Tracy Jones and we are so excited to explore this amazing bakery, all based on today's book, The Smart Cookie. So Tracy, can you just describe all your amazing cookies and some of the ideas, where they came from?
Yes, absolutely. So here at Milk Mustache, these are all 6-ounce cookies that are crunchy exterior, soft gooey interior.
Yummy.
And we have 12 flavors today.
Wow.
So 8 is our best sellers and 4 that rotate weekly. And yeah, so we have a lot of fun flavors here. Campfire Bliss, quite honestly, everyone loves a s'more. This cookie actually came after a Thanksgiving that we did with my family when we went camping. And so, yeah, it was fabulous. And when we were, roasting marshmallows and everything, I said, I need to make this into a cookie. So that's where Campfire Bliss came from.
Genius!
Yes. Yeah.
And I love how you have a cookies and cream cookie, right?
Yes.
Most people associate that with ice cream.
Yes, absolutely.
And which of these cookies would you say resembles our book of the day, The Smart Cookie?
Okay, if I had to pick a cookie, I would certainly say our Golden Goose.
Ooh.
It has white chocolate and golden Oreos all throughout the dough, and then it's covered in a fun, festive sprinkle, just like Smart Cookie.
And why are these, do you say they're 6 ounces?
These are 6-ounce cookies. What makes them unique is one, of course, they're all natural. And then also we use premium ingredients. But what is so interesting too is the texture. Our signature baking technique is that all of the cookies have a nice crunchy exterior, but a soft, dense, gooey interior. So when you bite into the cookie, you can have that explosion of texture and taste. Yeah.
That's so interesting. Most people either go for soft, chewy or hard, crunchy.
Yes.
So combining the two, wow.
Yeah.
That's
it makes
brilliant.
it more fun.
And so these cookies look way bigger than most cookies. How did you come up with this particular size cookie?
Yeah, no, honestly, I didn't have a certain method other than wanting it to be handcrafted with these beautiful cookie crevices. And I did want it a little larger, on the larger size.
Yes.
So then it just started scaling it until we found the perfect scaled size, which was 6 ounce. Yes.
Wow, so amazing. Which ones would you recommend that we try today?
Sure, I would definitely say we can do our Golden Goose.
Oh yes.
Which is like our Smart Cookie. And maybe Campfire Bliss.
That sounds amazing. Let's do it.
Okay.
So we are here at the taste test. We have 4 amazing cookies. I'm so excited, Tracy. But first, I have to know, where did the concept for Milk Mustache come from?
Yeah, that's a great question. So this was something that really stemmed from acts of kindness. So when the pandemic hit, I did have a business that shut down, and with 4 kiddos, we thought, what are we going to do with our time? So what better way than to start something new and learn a new skill? So what I started to do was teach myself how to develop a cookie. And it started with a chocolate chip, and after many batches, I came out with something super special. And I started donating, and the feedback was tremendous. We were donating to first responders and preschools that were still open for first responders and quarantine birthdays. And then due to the feedback, it started to make me think, well, maybe we have something special. And that's really how the story went. That's all started from there. Never did we imagine in our wildest dreams we would be where we're at, and we are so happy that it brought us to where we're at today.
That is such a precious story. Literally cookies out of kindness.
Yes.
Wow. That is incredible.
Thank you so much.
I am so excited to dive in. So,
yes.
as you said, they're crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside.
Yes. So that's the one that's like our smart cookie.
Yes. Let's start with this one. Look how awesome it resembles. Amazing.
Now those sprinkles love to fall off. So.
I love it. These are some of my favorite sprinkles, especially growing up. All right, here we go. You're so right. That crunchy first bite, and then your mouth just sinks into it. This is exactly what I think the smart cookie would taste like. Wow. That is amazing.
Oh, good. I'm glad you enjoy it.
Perfect level of sweetness and the crunch of the sprinkles.
Yes.
Right? Who would have ever thought?
It's festive, right?
It's festive.
It's fun.
It is so festive. Man, this would be just a perfect treat all the time.
Yes.
But especially in the summer, I could see kids eating these.
Yeah, for sure. Yes.
Wow.
We love them. And it goes with milk or anything. It's delicious. We love it.
That is delicious. Well, one of my
Thank you.
favorite childhood cookies had sprinkles like this growing up down in the valley. And that's one of my favorite actually childhood memories. So yummy. So Tracy, I am so excited to learn about this special part of your bakery.
Yes, so this is our edible cookie dough. And so we're actually Houston's first premier edible cookie dough bar. So that's very exciting. So what makes this edible is that this dough requires that it does not include eggs.
Okay.
And we also heat treat the flour. And that's very important. So to make sure that there's no bacteria or anything that's left in the flour. So now it's safe to eat.
That is so interesting. When I walked in, it literally looks like an ice cream shop.
It sure does. We actually have, similar to ice cream stores, we have toppings that you can also add to your dough as well. So you can build your own.
That is so interesting.
Yes.
And for all of you that love eating cookie dough, oh my word, here it is.
Here it is.
Whole bar station for you to pick from.
That's right. We have 6 different flavors. Would you like to sample?
I would love to sample
Okay.
one. Let's show them how it's done.
Yes. So which flavor would you like to do today?
Which would you recommend? What is your favorite?
My favorite is the birthday batter.
Let's try this one, especially it looks like the batter from the Smart Cookie.
It does. Just like Smart Cookie, it has sprinkles, which we love.
Yes.
So we'll definitely do some birthday batter.
So fun.
Yes.
Look how amazing.
And then, similar to the Smart Cookie, we also have sprinkles, or if you would like to try another topping, we can.
Yay! Yes, if we could do a few more sprinkles, that'd be amazing. What else would you recommend?
I would certainly say marshmallows.
Oh, how did you know? Those are my 2 favorite things, even in ice cream. I'm so excited. So here at your bakery, we can have the Smart Cookie in dough form. Thank you. In dough form and in baked form. How amazing is that? Okay, so for the taste test, I'm so excited. Get a little bit of everything. Have the adorable logo right there, right? Ah! Okay. Ready? It is creamy, and the texture of the sprinkles is perfect.
Oh, good. I'm glad you like it. We love it.
And the squishiness of the marshmallows, it is just perfect in taste and texture. I love this concept. How did you come up with the concept of particularly the cookie dough?
Sure, yeah. No, at Milk Mustache, we do specialize in all things cookies.
Yes.
So it just seemed very natural to eventually get to the dough side of things. Our dough is fabulous. And honestly, when taste testing and doing product development, one thing that I do is I start off with the dough. And if I think the dough is where it needs to be, that's one step closer to nailing the perfect cookie recipe. So yeah, it just got to the point where we have to share this goodness.
Yes, that is so brilliant. I've never heard of a cookie dough bar in a bakery before.
Yes,
you always just go for the baked goods, right?
Yes.
The cookies or the croissants or whatever that they're baking. Such a brilliant idea.
Something different.
You have to try this. Tracy, thank you so much for having us at this special bakery. What an incredible experience.
Thank you so much for coming out. We had so much fun.
Now be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming adventures. And we'll see you soon. Bye!
Want more book days? Well, the adventure has only begun. Check out these episodes and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming adventures.